In this video, I am going to help you log into your Instagram account without your password. Let's say I open my Instagram and I want to log into this account, but I am logged out and I do not have the password. I know that I can log in with Facebook, but let's say I don't have access to that either, so I just tap on Forgot Password. It's asking me for my username or email. I can also use my phone number to log in. And I'm just going to type my username and tap next. So the options that I have is either they send me an email or they send me an SMS to my mobile number. But let's say I don't have any of these. So I'm going to tap on this, can't reset your password. And then it shows me some other ways like sending an email to my recovery email or my WhatsApp or again on my phone. These are actually the only options that I have. If you can't have access to any of these, make sure that your Instagram is up to date. You can go to App Store and search for Instagram. And if there's an update, you can update it. Also, you can force stop the application if you head to General, iPhone Storage, find Instagram. And by offloading the app and reinstalling it, it will force stop the application so you can make sure it is up to date and there are no bugs, no glitches, nothing. And there is also another way that I tried like a week ago that I wanted to log into an account, log into an existing account. Let's say again, I have forgot my password and I'm going to type in the username. Again, you have the option for mobile number and Facebook, but let's say we can't use any of those. And I'm going to hit continue. It is trying to find my account. And here I have one more option, which is getting a code via the Instagram account notification on a device that I have already logged in. So if there is an Instagram account that you have logged in, you can get a notification on that, or you can use getting a code or link via WhatsApp or your email or via SMS. And if you can't access your Instagram account via any of these ways, maybe you should try creating a new Instagram account.